So we're here at AWISA 2018. We're just showing you one of our 3HJ 3-module filters. So this is a typical extraction system for a medium-sized joinery shop. So we have our dust entering via the main duct into our extraction fan. This is a centrifugal extraction fan. We use larger fans running slower to keep the noise down because you're good performance and consistent extraction. The dust comes through the fan up into the filter body itself. Inside the filter unit there's a back pressure flap, so in the event that when the fan shuts down, the filter is isolated from the main factory. The dust enters the hopper and is blown along to the rotary valve, which is a rotary airlock, which allows us to run a skip underneath the filter and change the skip on the fly. So the air comes up through the filter bags with the dust. The dust is collected on the inside of the filter bag and the clean air discharges out through these cowls at the top. Each of these modules in the filter, in this case 3, are individually controlled, and at preset intervals the regen fans up at the top there reverse air clean the filter bags. Each module comes off individually and only for about 7 seconds. What this does is ensures that the extraction rate on your filter is consistent and strong.